Imagine a giant black aircraft moving silently above a city at night. It has no cockpit and no pilot. Its shape changes in the air, while hundreds of small drones fly out of it and form one intelligent swarm. Every machine shares what it sees. Every machine reacts in real time. Now imagine that the same kind of intelligence is also designing medicines, building virtual worlds, teaching children, and helping scientists solve problems that once took decades. This may sound like science fiction, but parts of this future could arrive within the next 10 years. So what could happen to AI in the next 10 years, and where could humanity be in 2036? AI is improving at an unusual speed. Think about the change in generative AI between 2024 and 2026. Images became more realistic. Videos became longer and more stable. Language models became better at reasoning, coding, research, and using tools. No one can know the future exactly, and progress will not be smooth. There may be breakthroughs, delays, accidents, new laws, and public resistance. AGI may arrive early, late, or not in the form people expect. AGI means artificial general intelligence, an AI that can learn, reason, and solve many different kinds of problems at a human level or beyond. Today's systems are still unreliable and need human direction, but they already help people write code, study data, and design new tools. This creates a powerful feedback loop. Better AI helps us build even better AI. With that in mind, let us travel toward 2036, 2 years at a time. By 2028, AI-generated images, voices, music, and short videos could become almost impossible to separate from real media with our eyes and ears alone. A person may describe a scene, choose the actors, move a virtual camera, and create a professional advertisement or short film in minutes. Game developers may generate characters, dialogue, voices, buildings, and missions, while the player is inside the game. Every player could experience a slightly different story. Language models may write natural text in almost any style. They could become much better at planning long tasks, checking their own work, and using software without constant help. Personal AI agents may manage email, compare products, prepare documents, book appointments, and build small applications from a spoken request. Coding will also change quickly. A human developer may guide a team of AI coding agents instead of writing every line by hand. Small groups could build products that once needed hundreds of people. But the danger grows too. Fake videos, cloned voices, automated hacking, and AI-made scams may become cheaper and faster. We may need digital proof to show where a photo, video, or message came from. Strong identity checks, cybersecurity tests, and international safety rules could become normal. By 2030, we may see the first successful feature films created mostly by AI. Human directors could still control the story and emotion, but AI may generate many scenes, effects, voices, background characters, and even music. Entertainment may become personal. Instead of choosing only from finished movies, you might ask for a new story made for you. A 2-hour science fiction film with your favorite style, language, ending, and even a character that looks like you. Work will change as well. Writing, programming, translation, customer support, marketing, accounting, and basic design could become highly automated. Many jobs may not disappear completely, but one person using AI might do the work that once required a full team. Jobs based on trust, leadership, physical skill, and face-to-face care may change more slowly. AI will also move into the physical world. Robot access may operate in more cities. Delivery robots may become common in controlled areas. Early home robots could clean, carry objects, prepare simple food, watch for falls, and help older people live independently. They will still make mistakes, so expensive robots may remain limited to wealthier homes and businesses at first. At the same time, the demand for computer chips, electricity, water, and data centers could rise sharply. Countries may compete to control advanced chips and energy. AI infrastructure may become as strategically important as oil, roads, and telecommunications. By 2032, AI could become a normal research partner in laboratories. It may study millions of medical records, proteins, chemicals, and scientific papers, then suggest useful patterns that humans missed. This does not mean an AI doctor will replace every human doctor. More likely, doctors will use AI to find disease earlier, choose more personal treatments, monitor patients at home, and reduce paperwork. Drug discovery could become faster because AI can suggest promising molecules before expensive laboratory tests begin. We may also see better robotic surgery, artificial organs, lab-grown tissue, and custom implants. Some cancers could become easier to detect and control. But a total cure for cancer is unlikely to come from one discovery, because cancer is many different diseases. Software itself may begin to look very different. Today, we open many apps and websites. In 2032, we might simply tell an AI what we need. The AI could connect to different services, collect information, and create a temporary interface for that one task. Apps may not die, but many could become invisible. The AI assistant may become the main door, while websites, databases, and services work quietly behind it. This could create a new struggle over who controls our data, our choices, and the AI assistant that stands between us and the digital world. By 2034, military technology may become heavily centered on AI. Drones could travel in groups, share information, map an area, defend against attacks, and change plans in seconds. Aircraft, ships, ground vehicles, and cyber systems may work together as one connected network. This could reduce the number of soldiers in some dangerous places, but it creates a serious risk. Machines making life and death decisions too quickly for humans to understand or stop. Countries may need new treaties that require meaningful human control over nuclear weapons and other lethal systems. Outside war, autonomous robots may work in farms, mines, warehouses, hospitals, construction sites, and disaster zones. A robot could learn a task by watching a person, then share that skill with thousands of other robots. This may also be the period when the AGI debate becomes clearer. We might have systems that perform better than most humans across research, engineering, law, business, and education. But high test scores do not automatically mean consciousness, wisdom, or human understanding. Society may argue about a difficult question. If an AI can do most mental work, what should only humans be allowed to decide? Governments may require licenses, independent safety tests, and emergency shutdown systems for the most powerful models. By 2036, AI could be present in almost every part of daily life, even when we cannot see it. Education may become personal. Every student could have an AI tutor that knows their level, language, interests, and learning speed. Teachers may spend less time preparing tests and more time helping children with creativity, teamwork, and emotional growth. Schools may focus less on memorizing facts and more on asking good questions, checking AI answers, and solving real problems. Jobs may be reorganized around human judgment and AI production. Some roles will disappear, many will change, and new ones will appear. A shorter working week or new income support systems may become serious political ideas if automation creates far more wealth but fewer traditional jobs. Healthcare could become more predictive. Wearable devices and home sensors may notice warning signs before a person feels sick. Replacement skin, cartilage, blood vessels, and some simple tissues may be easier to grow. More cancers and rare diseases could be treated with therapies designed for one patient. Full replacement of complex organs may still be difficult, but progress could be significant. Human interaction may change too. AI companions could become teachers, assistants, game characters, therapists, and daily conversation partners. They may help lonely people, but they could also make some people easier to manipulate. protecting children, privacy, and freedom of thought may become one of the biggest challenges of the decade. Governments may create stronger global rules for powerful models, autonomous weapons, digital identity, copyright, medical AI, and robots. Nations that control chips, energy, data, and advanced models may gain enormous power. The biggest change may not be one machine or one invention. It may be the speed at which everything changes together: science, work, war, education, entertainment, and human relationships. This timeline is not a prophecy. AI could develop faster, slower, or in a completely different direction. Technical limits, energy shortages, regulation, public choices, or a major accident could change the path. But one thing is already clear: the next 10 years will not be only about smarter chatbots. They could be about a new layer of intelligence spreading through the entire world. The real question is not only what will AI be able to do by 2036? The real question is, what kind of future will humans choose to build with it?